Welcome, kids! Let's learn science!
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about designing force experiments, motion, and results.
Let's begin. Which setup best investigates how force affects motion? And the correct answer is letter A, car on ramp. When a student analyzes how height affects motion, what dependent data is being recorded? And the correct answer is letter A, the travel distance. Identify the setup that represents a fair test where a technician makes only one change at a time. And the correct answer is letter A, same car on ramps.
What do researchers call the specific measurements and facts collected during a mission? And the correct answer is letter B, the collected data. Which image shows a way for a rocket specialist to increase the thrust force acting on a balloon? And the correct answer is letter A, adding more air. Based on the evidence, what did the test pilot discover about the effect of increasing the ramp height? And the correct answer is letter B, it travels further.
Select the factor that a lab assistant must keep constant when analyzing how floor textures affect a car. And the correct answer is letter B, the type of car. Data analysts must repeat trials to ensure their evidence is consistent and reliable. And the correct answer is letter A. This is true claim. Which setup supports that more force causes more motion? And the correct answer is letter A. The car traveled far.
For a flight engineer, the string ensures the rocket follows a predictable, straight path. And the correct answer is letter C. This is true claim. Which image shows a tool that helps a designer provide an equal force for every single trial? And the correct answer is letter A. A spring launcher. What did the aerodynamics expert conclude about the relationship between air and kinetic energy? And the correct answer is letter B. More air equals faster speed.
Choose the best way for a civil engineer to test the effect of friction on a car moving down a ramp. And the correct answer is letter A. Changing the floor. Why is a timer a necessary tool for a time study specialist in this motion experiment? And the correct answer is letter C. To measure the time. Which image shows unequal forces being applied by a tester to compare the speed of two identical cars? And the correct answer is letter A. One big or small push.
A materials scientist tests how different ramp surfaces affect how a toy car moves. The same toy car is used each time. What is the independent variable? And the correct answer is letter B. The ramp surface. An inventor wants to test if changing a toy car makes it move differently. Which setup should be tested first for comparison? And the correct answer is letter A. The regular car on the ramp. What does the data suggest to the toy maker about the relationship between energy and force? And the correct answer is letter C. More twists equals more force.
Which image shows a mistake that would make a quality inspector investigation an unfair test? And the correct answer is letter A, using different cars. How could a marine architect increase the force in this system to observe a change in acceleration? And the correct answer is letter A, blow much harder. Identify the real-life tool used by safety engineers to test the effective force during a vehicle crash. And the correct answer is letter C, a crash test.
Why do airport designers create longer runways for larger, heavier planes during their takeoff phase? And the correct answer is letter A, needs more force. Which career path involves a professional analyzing the forces acting on new rockets for space missions? And the correct answer is letter B, an aerospace engineer. Why must a roller coaster inspector understand how to test forces on a ride? And the correct answer is letter B, to keep riders safe.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.